Tutorial on connecting ASMAX to Insta360. Headphone operation. First, when the headphones are powered on, long press the function button on the back. To enter pairing mode. Insta operation. Second, pull down the Insta menu. Find and turn on the Bluetooth headphone option. Select the detected headphone, and the connection will be completed. Control terms. Third, pull down the Insta menu. Find and enable the voice control function. Here, you will see all available control terms. Now you can issue voice commands through the ASMAX headphones. To control the camera, actual usage test. When the headphones and camera are connected, during video recording, the camera can use the microphone in the helmet for noise reduction, and thus clearly record the human voice during your ride. All models of ASMAX headphones now support Insta connectivity. Go try it out.